today I am going to be unboxing the Harry Potter Magical Infinity gift box. I was so stoked when I got this, guys. If you did not see my previous haul video, my sister surprised me and got me the last one, and I wanted this all Christmas long, and it's like it was meant to be because this was the last one left and it was on clearance for like next to nothing at Hot Topic. I don't know if you guys can see that properly. By the way, it's a really nice day out today, and we had the windows open and my neighbors are having a party like right across the street. So if you guys hear anything really strange or weird, it's coming from there. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. So just letting you guys know. So I'm gonna stop chit-chatting now and let's just open this baby up because I have been waiting for such a long time, and then I waited even longer to open this because I wanted to do it with you guys. So that's dedication, guys. It's dedication. So let's open this on up. So how do you get this out of here? Okay. Okay, well that was easy. This is pretty. It's so magical. Look at that. Oh, this is really nice. This is a display that I will definitely keep. I do not have room for this, but we shall put it somewhere. I saw Luna on here. Here she is. I love Luna so much. And Harry. I mean, there are so many awesome characters. How do you know which one to open first? It doesn't say. But it does say that there's 18 magical gifts in this gift box. Now, here is a few seconds of me struggling to get this open. Whoa! Alright. There's no numbers on this. It looks like a Rubik's Cube. What the heck? How do you do this? Okay, so... Okay, I guess we can start with this slot because it doesn't have numbers on it. I'm probably doing this wrong. And I want somebody to unbox this. It was a while ago though, so I don't remember what was inside. I'm just gonna start here. What is this? Oh, this is so cute. It's a Gryffindor magnet. I don't know if you guys can see that properly. This is really cute. Aww. Okay, so that's gift number 1. We'll keep track of it that way. I'll just count as I open them. So, I mean, is this one? No, that's not a slot. Is this a slot? I don't think so either. Okay. This is a confusing calendar to open. This is so cute. It's a Yule Ball Hermione keychain. This is adorable. I might just have to do some up-close views at the end so you guys can see what these actually look like. Are you kidding me? It's one of the Patel twins as a keychain. This is really cute. I did watch somebody unbox this, but why do I feel like I had different things in mind? But I mean, I don't remember that one. That was like all the way in December when I unboxed, when I watched that unboxing. So I'm gonna start with this slot next. This one right here. Okay. It's an ornament for my tree! My tree is gone. It's Hermione again. What in the world? What was that? This is so cute! Okay. Now, I guess this is one of them right here. It's a Buckbeak patch! Oh my gosh, I should do a DIY video on something with these patches. I think I have a few in my closet somewhere. I just buy them and I never use them, but maybe I should do something, guys. Maybe. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things so far. So I guess we go to this side now. The Thestral door. And then we have the one with the letters on it. So that's exciting. It's a Ravenclaw magnet. Oh, I just pulled that out. Oh, whatever. It won't come out. This is a tough one to unbox. Well, to me it is anyway. Maybe just say I'm struggling to open a slot, but that's okay. So Ravenclaw magnet. That is super cute. I don't keep this on my refrigerator though, guys. I kind of just like, these things on my shelves are magnetic, so I kind of just stick my magnets up there. And then we're going to open this slot. Okay, I thought this was empty because I just saw this part and I was like, they did not just give me an empty slot. But it's a Hedwig magnet. There's a lot of magnets in here, guys. I dropped that slot. What even, guys? Okay, now, okay, how do you open this? I'm not the only one that had trouble because I watched a few of these and a lot of people had trouble opening it, so that makes me feel better. Okay, so we're gonna do it this way now. This is super cute. Look at the detail on this. It's Lupin, Sirius, Dobby, Neville, Trevor is down there with Neville. 1-1. Okay, let's open them now. We will go with Lupin's slot. Ooh, what is this? It's a luggage tag! A Hogwarts Express one. This is super cute. Wow. And the next slot is Dobby. What's in here? An eraser. A Hedwig one. But here's a fun fact. I don't really use my erasers that are Harry Potter themed because I don't want to ruin them. I don't know. I guess it's a collector's thing, but I don't like to open them. I don't like to use them. I just kind of leave them on my desk. Oh, we have another eraser. It's a Buckbeak one. I'm seeing a theme here. Is that gonna focus? Okay. It's cute. Wait. Okay, there's another slot. Okay. Why do I keep thinking that they're empty? This was like pushed up here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it looked like it was empty. But the packaging is like pushed up against the side. So what is this? Are you serious? It's a pin? It's a Harry pin! I love pins if you didn't know that already, guys. And this is so cute and I cannot wait to add this on my pin board. It's not gonna focus, is it? No. The camera's like, not today, Sam, not today. Okay. How many items do we have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, we have a few more slots to open. Did I open this one? Yes, we did. How do I know which side I didn't open already? Wow, this is a confusing thingy to open. It says I'm struggling. I don't know. How do you open this thing?
I don't remember I asked you that.
I don't know how to open this. I feel like this is just a few minutes of Sam struggling to open a calendar instead of like just unboxing it for you guys. Okay, we have 11, so... Okay, that's one slot. Okay, we're gonna go here. Look at this. Dementors, Dementors! Okay. Victor Crumb, Scabbers, or as we know him, Peter Pettigrew. But he's there. This video is so weird. Okay, we are going to go with this slot. Let's open Peter. Sis, there's a Hermione pin in here too.
That's cute.
It's so cute. The camera doesn't want to cooperate with me today. But this is adorable. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put that next to Harry. That's so going on my pin board. I can't wait. And now we can open the Book of Monsters door. I love my Book of Monsters pillow that my brother got me. I sleep with it every night. It's so cuddly. This thing isn't working out for me. Okay. It's notepads. Harry Potter notepads with a little chibi design. And it says Expelliarmus. And that won't show up. Is it going to? No, it's not. I'll just have to like pan it at the end for you guys. And then, is this a slot here? Because I keep getting tricked. No, it's not. Okay. Okay. Well, this is a different, this is like a giant Rubik's Cube with drawers, and it's really hard to unbox because I don't know where to start. Alright, so we're gonna pull this one. Ooh! Is this a notepads too? I think it's stickers. I think that they are stickers. I'm gonna go with that. And wow, just look how really, like, this is so pretty. Why is Dumbledore's hat green? washi tape. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in this calendar. And the price that we paid was like 14 something, and I think that it was originally like 60 bucks. Does it have a price? No, it doesn't. But this is not bad for what we paid. And then another slot down here. What is this? It's a glass cleaner, but I don't wear glasses, so okay. I guess I could use this to clean my phone and stuff. This is really cute. This is super cute. Wow. Okay. Did we get everything? Oh, this is tricky. I don't know, let's see. Yeah, we did. Oh my. I don't think so. This didn't get touched yet, but look at the detail. I love the artwork on this calendar. It is so beautiful. I feel like I'm going to forget to open a drawer here and not show you guys something, but look what I just got in this slot right here. It's a Harry ornament and it's a plushy one. This is super cute. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have one more. Where could that be? I'm just going to cheat here now because I'm so confused. What are we doing here? I mean, I didn't see this yet, unless I showed it to you guys and I just have memory loss, but look at this. This is adorable. So cute. We're missing something though. I remember when they were showing it to me in the stores as well, like the associates, and they didn't even know how to like maneuver their way around this. So I am missing something, but I don't know where it is. It's really bad. How do you open this thing? Who designed this? Look, okay, here's something up here. What is this? This is interesting. What is this? I really feel like there's something else in here and I'm just like not seeing it. Is this a bag? What is this? Oh, it's a reusable tote bag.
That's cute.
Yeah, okay, well it's backwards. But okay, there we go. Look how cute this is. Oh my god, is that? It's Luna in the middle. I'm automatically in love with it. Anything Harry Potter, I mean, I just love it automatically, but Luna, Luna, Luna. Oh, and Harry's in the corner. This is really cute. Serpensotia. Oh, I love this. I think that this is it in the bag, but like knowing me, but on the box, it shows that there's something else. Sis, I feel like I didn't open something.
I kind of hear something?
Yeah, I feel like I hear something in here. This is a really weird video. Like, what the heck? There's like, how do you open this? I know like I watch other unboxings too, and people are like struggling like crazy, so it's not just me, but I mean, I'm going to be posting this on Instagram, and if any of you look at the photo, I mean, I might watch another unboxing, and you guys see that I missed something in here, because I'm pretty sure that I did, let me know, because I'm super confused, so, alright my loves. That is going to be it for this really strange unboxing of this infinity box. They are really right when they say it's a magical infinity box because I'm super confused still. I really feel like I am missing something in this unboxing because I don't know how to open this. It's really confusing. It's like a giant Rubik's Cube, like I said. Like when you keep doing this, look, and it keeps like doing different things and I'm like, wait. So like I said, I'm going to be posting photos on Instagram with this. If you guys notice anything missing from anything in this calendar, please let me know down below or on my social media because I'm very active on there if I don't find out already before you guys, but I'm going to look into that. So until next time my loves, I'm working on some really exciting videos, so stay tuned. I mean, I kind of don't want to ruin the surprise, but it's something that I did for Christmas and you guys wanted to see more of, so if you guys can guess, leave some comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys won't miss any uploads of mine. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
I can feel you in